This problem is all about logarithmic equation. Now, these are one of the rules of logarithm, changing base. Now, they said we should show it. So now they say if P, Q, and A are positive real numbers, show that log P base Q is equal to log P base A divided by log Q base A. Hence, deduce that if M, N, and X are positive real numbers, log X base Mn is equal to log X base M divided by 1 plus log N base M. So now, okay, let me change this to white. So now, log P base Q, but to show that log P base Q is equal to log P base A divided by log Q base A. So to do that, let log P base Q be equal to 1. So that means, now according to, logarithm is the same thing as exponential. Now let's say, for instance, you say log of a number, let me call it n, log of a number to base b is equal to, let me say, power or exponential. Now that means, that is why log is exponential and exponential is log. So now for this expression, if you look at it critically, you see that the base, which is b, raised to power or exponential is equal to the number. So that is the logic. So now, from this analogy, you can see that log p base q is being equal to y is the same thing as saying q to power y is equal to p. Now taking the logarithm of both sides to base a, you now have log q to power y base a equal to log p base a. Now, according to the law of logarithm, where you have log a base b raised to power m is the same thing as m log a base b. So now, using that expression here, you now have y log q base a equal to log p base a. Now dividing all through by dividing both sides by log q base a or q base a, this will cancel out. You are left with y equal to log p base a divided by log q base a. Now from here, log p base q is equal to y. So y is equal to log p base q, which is equal to log p base a divided by log q base a. Meaning log p base q is equal to log p base a divided by log q base a. Now the next question is to deduce that log, okay, so the next question was to deduce that log x base m times n is equal to log x base m divided by 1 plus log n base m. Let me check. Okay, now to do this, we say let log x base m n be equal to p. Now, according to the expression which we have explained here, we cannot apply it there, which then means m times n to power p is equal to x. Now, there is a law of indices where m times n raised to power p is same thing as, okay, let me use a different alphabet. Now, a times b, or to the power, let's say m, is same thing as a to power n times b to power n. Now, applying this rule here, you now have m to power p times n to power p, which is equal to x. Now, m to power p times n to power p is equal to x. Now, taking log of both sides to base m, now you now have log m to power p times n to power p base m is equal to log x base m. Now, according to the law of logarithm, where you have log a times b base c equal to log a base c plus log b base c. So applying this rule here, you now have log m to power p base m plus log n to power p base n is equal to log x base m. Now, according to the law of logarithm, which we have used here, okay, let me just still express it again. Now log a to power n base b is the same thing as m log a base b. Now that means using that expression to explain this, you now have p log m base n plus p log n base m equal to log x base m. Now factorizing this, because we have a common factor here, so we now bring out the common factor and we have log m base m plus log n base m equal to log x base m. Now, according to the law of logarithm, to the rules of logarithm, log m base m is equal to 1. That is, log of any number to the base of that same number is equal to 1, which implies m to power 1 is equal to m. So anything raised to power 1 is equal to that thing. So now, having done that, applying this here now, you now have p bracket open 1 plus log n base m bracket close equal to log x base m. Now dividing all through by 1 plus log n base m, you now have p equal to log x base m divided by 1 plus log n base m. So p is equal to, we said let p be equal to, p is equal to, where is it again? Okay, this is here. Let's log x base mn be equal to p. That is what we said, which is here. So now let's go back. So log x base mn is equal to log x base m divided by 1 plus log n base m. So this is log x base n is equal to log x base m divided by 1 plus log n base m. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I do new videos, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you.